Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where you ask me questions and I answer them. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is DevanOnDeck, and here I'm all about men's fashion tips and empowering you to make better content and be more effective on social media. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, please. If you've already subbed to my channel, press that bell icon and you get a notification every time I drop a video. Today's question comes from 3 people, 2 from Instagram and 1 from YouTube, all basically asking me the same thing. How do you make social media a lot less of a chore? How do you stay organized? Do you use a content calendar? What's your secret? Well, for starters, right now I'm walking in my purpose. I'm really doing what I love to do. I love creating content. I love marketing strategies and figuring out how to communicate with people and looking at human behavior and patterns and setting KPIs and measuring things and connecting the creativity to how it makes you money. All those things really get me going, and I enjoy that piece of it. But if you're not a social media person, then of course it's gonna feel like a chore. Like if any of this stuff doesn't turn you on, if it's not the thing you're passionate about, you're not gonna like it. So one thing that can help make it a little easier on you is one thing that I use is a content calendar. And literally all I use is Google Sheets. If you have a Gmail account, that means you can access Google Sheets. If you don't know where to find that, I'm gonna leave a link below in the description for you. Click it, it'll take you to Google Sheets. Put the templates at the top and come down, and the template you want is 2018 calendar. Click that and you can literally just put in whatever content you want to make for the month. You could even share it with your team so y'all can organize. And for me, I plan out my content about a month ahead of time, and then maybe the day before I'll go back and like write little notes, or I might change my plan last minute, but at the very least I want to have it planned out a month ahead of time so I can have a direction to go, so I know I'm moving forward, and it just mobilizes me better. So there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you learned anything, give your guy a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have more questions for me, I need more questions so I can keep making these videos, bringing you guys value. So please put them down in the comments below. If you haven't subbed to my channel yet, make that happen. I appreciate your time as always, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.